guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about staircases. So normally in your staircase, you have carpet, and a really easy way to fancify your home after you close, if you're buying a new house, is to change out the carpet on your stairs with a patterned carpet like so. I personally love this. It's very neutral and it's not very busy or anything on your eyes, but it does add a little bit of sass to your staircase. And you can find carpets like this at Second and Surplus, Floor and Decor, Home Depot, anywhere where they sell basically flooring, they have carpet. And because it's not a big area, it should be fairly inexpensive. The labor is probably a little bit more because it is stairs, but the cost of it shouldn't be something that is super significant, and it does definitely add a dramatic look in your home for just a small cost. And so I would definitely advise doing this. I personally love this. I think it adds a lot of sass. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.